where Surabaya Airport, International Airport. Surabaya is in no, just in case hindi natin alam. So they have this very modern airport. This is the second biggest city here in Indonesia. So this caps our 4-day Indonesian cross-country train tour. So we had a bullet train from Jakarta to Bandung. World class, grabe, impressive. Yung Indonesia, mayroon na silang bullet train. Then from Bandung, we took a sleeper train, 10-hour sleeper train to here, no, Surabaya. We left Bandung 9 p.m. arriving in Surabaya at 8 o'clock in the morning. So yung flight namin is here. We're going Kuala Lumpur at 11:20, no, via Air Asia. So moments from now, no, minutes from now, we'll be going immigration dito sa taas, paakyat. Now what best practices? Dito na sa loob yung mga checking ng IDs, no, before yung check-in, yung what we call this, yung check-in, no, procedures, hindi sa labas. So that yung sa atin, kung sa loob sana, like this one sa Surabaya, we could have prevented yung mga accidents sa labas, no? Mga vehicular accidents. Here, no, sa kanila sa loob yung checking. Doon sa yung sa door, they let you in. Best practices for international na mga travel. Yung kanila pelaporan, parang paliparan natin. Then the exit, no, when you're in Indonesia, they call that Kelawar. Parang pandinata sa Malaysia. So they have this ditong para siyang Cebu, no, ito yung sabihin nating secondary airport nila here in Surabaya. Yung standards nila is yung Mactan. But I think hindi mabibitin yung Mactan dito, no, sa setup nila. Okay, so we'll be entering immigration, no, now.